What's going on, guys? Welcome to another LEGO video. Today we're doing LEGO Ninjago LLoyd's Journey. Now I got this set because I want the wolf, because that is our channel's animal and mascot. So here's the front and here is the back. So let's get this opened with scissors.
Well, I'm here, Ultimate Fan Boy.
Yes, Ultimate Fanboy Luke. Keeps getting mucked up with that. There.
Because you know my sister loves wolves.
Yes. Now we've got a few packs.
You see, can't you avoid the time?
Motion sickness. Okay, so here we go. So I'm gonna be time lapsing. So
what did you have to do the wolf?
Yes, so that would be nice and stable. So we'll see you in a second. We're back. So let's start off with the little set. So there's this little fortress that comes with some spinners things. What are they called?
Ninja stars.
Yes. And then there's a little defense where you can shoot that, which I'm not. I was confused on how to do it, but you just put it in sideways instead of frontwards, like other ones do. So that is like a temple thingy. Next we've got the bad guy.
We don't know who his name is, so
We'll call him Frost Warrior.
yeah.
I like the blue sword. That's pretty cool, actually.
Yeah, I never seen Lego made that.
Next we got this. I was wondering why Lloyd has a silver sword or grey sword, but he must have lost his, or he's going to get it or something. And that's
We're trying to save it. I don't know.
yes. So there's that.
And here's the biggest fun part: the wolf.
Yes. Hang on, I got it stuck. The sword went all the way through. Anyway, so we've got the wolf. I don't really care if he's a good guy or bad guy, but he is now going to be in every single one of our videos that we do on this table. So we'll have to come up with a name for him, which we'll come up with later. And last but not least, Lloyd.
I cannot believe that they mocked up him.
Yes, they definitely have changed him.
With socks
And he's got two faces.
and happy face and an angry.
Angry face, but we want happy faces. Oh, his torch came off.
Yeah.
So that will wrap it up for today's video. My name is Ultimate Fangirl Grace.
And Ultimate Fanboy Luke.
And you guys are a fan, and leave a like, comment, subscribe, because we make new videos every Monday, and hit that notification bell to be alerted when. And we'll see you next time. Bye!